The sun is the center of our solar system. As a giant ball of plasma, it's pretty hard to miss him in its 30 million degree center. You would see hydrogen fuse into helium and release energy. Magnetic fields with solar flares and coronal mass ejections, and particles from these bursts damage electronic connections. It's 100 times the wider than Freeman Mars bar. Despite all of this, it's just an average sized star. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first four planets, rocky like ours. Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and as such, it takes the least time to run around its orbit. Its year is only 88 Earth days, and the solar wind means that little gas stays on its rocky surface, barren and full of craters. With no atmosphere, its temperature wavers from 800 Fahrenheit to -300 at night, but there is still some ice in craters away from the light. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first four planets, rocky like ours. Earth's Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It's the same size as Earth, give or take some. Venus is covered in a thick layer of clouds made of carbon dioxide, which in effect shrouds the planet from losing heat like a giant blanket, so it's 10 degrees due to the greenhouse effect. It's covered with volcanoes and is shaped by their powers. The only boats that ever landed died within 2 hours. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first four planets, rocky like ours. Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. I got a feeling you're familiar with this one. It's the only planet known to have had life in its history, though just how life started is still a bit of a mystery. 4 billion years ago, two protoplanets collided, and our moon was formed when collision debris united Earth in the Goldilocks zone, not to partner with gold for liquid water to exist and life as we know it to take hold. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first four planets, rocky like ours. Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it's the place where our voyage to other planets has begun. The surface is covered with red iron oxide, much atmosphere is blown away with no magnetic field inside. Early astronomers saw canals everywhere, and they thought perhaps aliens had put them there. Thanks to telescopes, orbiters, and rovers, we now know that there are no such alien canals, although rivers, deltas, volcanoes, and canyons abound. There's little water left of life on Mars may still be found, so we send spacecraft there like Curiosity to try and understand Mars' geologic history. Neptune is the eighth and final planet from our star. The sun's 0.1% as bright because it is so far. It's similar to Uranus' mass, size, and composition, and Uranus' orbit predicted its position. You may have noticed Neptune is a bright blue. The methane in its atmosphere is nothing to chew. It's the windiest 2,000-mile-per-hour gusts. Brightness liquid nitrogen is nearly from its crust. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are the first four planets, rocky like ours. Neptune, they're made of hydrogen and helium gas like a balloon. The ninth planet was Pluto, but it's a planet no more because it's too small. It's a dwarf planet, but this topic soared. The planets orbit close to a plane, but Pluto does not. And more dwarf planets were found. That's what got this topic hot. Pluto's big little Charon is Pluto's little brother, so big that Pluto and Charon orbit one another. The young upper belt is the Oort cloud, and that's where debris from our star's formation can be found. Our sun and the planets like Earth and Mars are not alone. Just look at the stars. You see, most stars have their own collection of bodies. That is what the search for exoplanet studies. There are far more stars of